Hi, I'm Agent Weiss, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your new Drinkworks Home Bar by Keurig. Setup is pretty easy, so you'll be enjoying premium, bar-quality cocktails in no time. Here's what you'll need: the Drinkworks and all the included accessories, and at least one Drinkworks pod. All right, to get started, plug in the Drinkworks Home Bar and turn the power on. Next, install the drip tray to the base of the home bar. Remove the plastic wrap from the touchscreen if you haven't already, and press the blinking arrow. Next, install one of the CO2 cartridges that came with your drink maker by first removing the side door and then inserting the cartridge. As you start screwing the cartridge in, you might hear a hissing sound. That's normal. Keep going until the hissing stops. Then flip the cartridge down and replace the side door. These CO2 cartridges can make about 12 to 15 drinks each, depending on what you're making. The touchscreen will now walk you through a few more steps. When you're finished with one step, just touch the arrow to get to the next one. When you see this screen, it's time to give the water tank a quick rinse in the sink, and then fill it up to the max fill line. Put the full tank in its position on the bar, and then put an empty half-gallon container under the dispenser. Press the start button to begin the machine's rinse cycle. This will clear out any residue before you use it for the first time. While you're waiting, it's a good time to remove the water filter cartridge and soak it in a glass of water. I know it sounds strange, but pre-soaking the filter cartridge helps a lot. When the rinse cycle is complete, you'll have about an inch of water left in the tank. Go ahead and empty that out. After you've soaked the cartridge for 5 minutes, it is ready to be inserted into the holder. Squeeze both tabs of the lower filter holder together at the arrows and then pull the holder away. Rinse the mesh of the lower filter holder in the sink. Then, insert the cartridge into the upper filter holder and snap on the lower part. Now put the entire filter assembly in the tank and push it down until it locks into place. When it's time to make a drink, fill the water tank with ice and then with water to the max fill line. Put the water tank back onto the drink maker then top off the tank with more water and wait for the touchscreen to tell you when the chilling process is done. You're now ready to get the party started. To make a drink, pick a pod, open the pod door, and align the notch in the pod with the notch in the blue pod basket. Then press start, and it'll start making your first cocktail. Oh, and here's a tip. If you keep your drink maker plugged in, it'll keep the water cold and fresh for serving, and the tank should last about 6 beverages between refills. However, if you unplug or turn off the device, you should use the touchscreen to empty the drink maker beforehand. Then, when you come back to use it again, remember to fill the tank with ice and then with water to cut down on the time it takes to chill. And hey, don't forget to enjoy your drink responsibly and recycle your pod using the loop bag that came with your device. You can also download the Drinkworks app to check the status of your device, get helpful tips, learn about new pods and where to buy them, and register your drink maker to activate the warranty. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. If you have questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching.